Hi kids, Mr. Marco here. Today we're going to make a soup with one of my favorite vegetables. So fennel soup. And we're going to use the fennel in a few different ways. All the time when I go to the fruit shop and I buy the fennel, everybody always asks me, what you do with the fennel? So today I would like to show you what we can do with the fennel. We're going to use for different things. So of course, the ingredients are fennel, a big onion, few potatoes. This is the top part of the fennel I'm going to use later for decoration. Some garlic and chili. It'll be your butter, some Parmesan cheese, and a tomato dice. The butter we're going to use for make the croutons later, and we're going to make a few toast. Okay. And after we're going to use the mixing stick for blend a soup. So we start with cleaning the fennel, okay? Yeah. So the outside ugly part of the fennel we're going to use for the soup. And now the stuff a little bit soft of the fennel. We're going to use this for make a little stew with the fennel. And after this, the super soft part, we're going to use later for make a salad. All these go to a lovely compost. I'll do one more. Okay. Yeah, we have plenty for the soup. This goes as salad later. Done. Okay, now I'm going to wash all the fennels. It's for compost. There we are. We start with the soup. Wash. As fennel for the soup, go in a boiling water. It's already in the stove boiling. We're going to put inside here. There we go. And this is for our soup. Now for our soup, we're going to use the onion, just roughly chop. Lovely. Let's go into the pot. Very good. And now we're going to do the potato. And again, the potato we can just chop it. Not to be super small because we're going to put inside the soup. So if you need help, make sure your parents helping you. There you go. So now we're going to put this inside the pot where we're making the soup. So let's go, and we put this inside the pot where we're making the soup. There we are. Done. We're going to put some olive oil, a nice splash of olive oil. Some salt. Done. And now we left them boiling, and after we're going to mix. Now for the stew, we're washing the other fennel for the stew. Here. Very good. And we're going to do a lovely garlic. Lovely. garlic. And take the middle out like always. Done. Down and down. Just go to the compost. I'll let my garlic just roughly chop. We're going to chop a lovely chili. Yes, it's for the kids. Maybe the chili is too spicy. We don't use the chili, but I like a little bit of spicy, especially when you do the fennel stew. Anyway, in this, we go into a fire pan. Now I turn on the fire pan. Very good. I'm going to put some olive oil. Just waiting until start drizzling a little bit. And we're going to add that in fennel. Lovely. Done. So in the meantime, the soup cooking and the stew fennel cooking too, I'm going to show you the salad. So for the salad, we use the softer part of the fennel. There we are. Lovely. With the inside, if you want, you can just eat like this. Just give a wash, and after I show you. Now we're going to make the salad first. Yeah, and I can hear the fire pan drizzling nicely. Okay, I'm going to make just a little bit of salad now. I'm going to wash this very quickly. So when you make fennel salad, you really need to chop your fennel super fine. Again, take your time. Lovely. Done. It's enough for now. And we're going to put our salad here. Fennel salad you can now mix with some lettuce, you know, but I like by itself. And to make the fennel salad, You just need a good olive oil. Your vinegar. A pinch of salt. And if you want, you can put some chili. It's up to you. Anyway, this is a lovely fennel salad. It's ready. And with the inside of the fennel, like I said to you before, if you like to eat the inside, you can just give a good wash. And this is very nice just to eat like that. So now we're going to check a fire pan and a pot. Very good. So if you see the fire pan is just too dry, you can just get some soup and put that. Okay? Now we're waiting until the fennel soup is boiling up and the stew is ready, and after we're going to start dishing. So I'll see you soon when everything is cooked. Okay kids, now the soup and the fennel stew are ready and the smell is fantastic, children. So we're going to put some of our tomato dash in our lovely fennel stew. Can I have a look? So we're going to put this inside here. I'm going to cook for 3 or 4 more minutes, the stew. And with the soup, before the soup is ready, I'm going to put it in the sink over here. And I'm going to blend it with the mixing stick soon. But before we do that, I'm going to use our lovely toast we put in, and we're going to make a few croutons. So they have to be super fine. Yeah, I like rough croutons, not to be like chopping the, the crust off. No, I like everything like this, nicely. Lovely. So I'm going to use the butter now in the other fry pan. There we are. Just wait until the butter is melting. Our fennel stew is almost ready. And we start dishing them up soon. Yeah. And we want to put inside our chopped toast for the toast. Just to give a nice extra taste. Lovely. And now I start mixing the soup with the stick mixer. And I'll see you soon when we start dishing, okay? Now I finished mixing all the soup, look good. So now we start dishing them. And our croutons is done too, they are here. Everything else is ready. So now I'll put a lovely soup over there. A lovely stew fennel over here. Everything's done. Now we're dishing them. Yeah. Now, maybe your Parmesan cheese, lovely. Before decoration. There we are. Our stew fennels are ready. Now we're going to serve the soup. There we are. Lovely soup. Now, put pure croutons. It's lovely. A nice, beautiful pinch of Parmesan cheese. Here we are. So now kids, you know how to use this beautiful vegetable, the fennel. And the fennel is a very good autumn winter vegetable. And it's very good and healthy. Hopes you enjoy this cooking class and enjoy the beautiful dishes with your family. I'll see you soon next time. Ciao.